transmission is apart again. So I found out the issue. It's this little tiny clip, C-clip, fell off. This is the reverse shift fork right here. That's a synchro and slider. There's a little C-clip that's supposed to go right here. And it popped off. And I cannot for the life of me figure out where it went. There's these little magnets right here. You think that would have caught it. Where'd it go? Unless it didn't get installed, which is highly possible, but I had to reverse a couple times and then I didn't because basically the slider went up into reverse, got stuck there because this wasn't on there. So good stuff. So I think what I'm gonna do, maybe it fell down into the lower part of the transmission. And I really don't want to take this case apart because it's a whole thing. But down, it might have fallen into that hole somehow, but I don't see how it could possibly get down there. I'm gonna drain the fluid and see if it clanks around when I try to wiggle it, but hopefully it's down there because I don't want this just chilling in my transmission. This is the old one. Just never ends with this car. So I put it all back together and everything is working fine. And as soon as this thing gets hot, like after driving for a little bit, it does not want to go into gear. So pressing the clutch and try to put it into gear, it just completely blocks me out. Like it's not engaging the clutch all the way. When the car is off and I press the clutch in, shifts fine. I also can't get into reverse now either. It's almost like the reverse lockout is just stuck or something maybe. I really don't know. So I'm gonna actually take it to a local Corvette shop and see if they can figure out what's going on, because at this point I'm at a loss here. And the other thing is it's making some weird chattering sound in the clutch area. I don't know if maybe the brand new clutch is broken or defective, there's something wrong with it. I've seen a lot of people that have this brand clutch. It's like a Clutch Max, and they've actually broken the pressure plate. It's actually just broken a million pieces. So that could be what's going on here. But yeah, rather have an expert check it out and see what's going on. Kind of a bummer after all that work, but I think we'll get it figured out.